MotoGP Great Britain race result, Marco Bezzecchi and Aprilia returned to winning ways. After an early red flag, Marco Bezzecchi was able to master the restarted race and win by over 4 seconds. For the first time since the 2023 Indian Grand Prix, Marco Bezzecchi returns to the top step of the Grand Prix podium. The Italian rider inherited the lead of the Silverstone and held on to a 4-second advantage. After winning last time out at the French Grand Prix, Johann Zarco was back on the podium as he finished in second place on the LCR Honda. Despite a last lap battle, Marc Marquez was able to hold on to the podium as he finished in third place after rejoining the race after crashing before a red flag. Franco Morbidelli reached it all for a podium, but he had to settle for fourth place after being beaten by Marquez in the last lap battle around Silverstone. Alex Marquez had a difficult day after crashing at the first start, before finishing in fifth place after the race was restarted. The top KTM rider at the British Grand Prix was Pedro Acosta as he finished in sixth place on the Red Bull KTM factory racing machine. Jack Miller was the top Yamaha rider after Fabio Quartararo had to retire from the lead of the race due engine failure. The Australian rider finished in seventh on the Pramac Yamaha. Luca Barrini was back inside the top 10 as he finished in 8th place on the factory Honda SRC Castrol machine. MotoGP rookie Fermin Aldiger could not match his performance from the mount as he finished in 9th place at the Silverstone. Completing the top 10 was Fabio Quintanillo on the Britannia Indigo VR 47 Team Cali GP25.